What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge back for another Metamaterials update, and today's a weird day. I see something green over here. I'm not sure what that means. Could be the first green day in fucking what feels like forever. And we do have some big news to get to. But first, let's take a peek at the chart. Big gap up here in the pre-market, and then pretty much immediate sell-off. And then the shorts got wind of this, and then all the way back, almost down to where we started. It sure would have been nice of them to let us have this. It shot up as high as 380, and then that got rejected. And then starting off the day with 359, all the way back down to Earth, 318 right now. RSI right now sitting at 44.12. MACDs are pretty much touching, not much going on with those. Quick pop over to the Ortex data, and shares on loan is creeping back up. Utilization rate is still very fucking high, and free float on loan about the same as it was. Not much else on this on Ortex. Popping over to Fintel, and everything up here is about the same. I think short days to cover has gone up a tiny bit from yesterday. I think yesterday it was 1.2, now it's 1.25. And let's get to short shares availability. Down as low as 650,000, now sitting at right around 1 million, so pretty close to where it was yesterday at 1.5. Hanging in that 1 million to over 500,000 range. Nothing crazy going on. Short bottle fee rate has dropped a little bit from yesterday. Down almost 100%. Or 50% from yesterday. Yesterday was up to 4, now it's down to 2. And all right, the big news here. Meta announces agreement to acquire Nanotech Security Corp for 90 million Canadian. So was it like $40 US? I don't know the conversion rate here. So it's pretty significant acquisition there. All right, so from today, Metamaterials Inc., a developer of high-performance functional materials and nanocomposites, today announced the signing of a definitive agreement for Meta to indirectly acquire Nanotech Security Corp., a leader in the development of secure and visually memorable nano-optic security features that provide anti-counterfeiting solutions used in the government and banknote and brand protection markets in an all-cash transaction of $1.25 Canadian. So again, that's probably like 10 cents US per Nanotech common share for a total value of approximately 90.8 Canadian monopoly dollars. The addition of Nanotech's highly experienced manufacturing group, its nanophotonics R&D teams, and its well-established origination and conversion capabilities is expected to significantly expand and accelerate Meta's design-to-production roadmap and extend its leadership position in commercializing metamaterials. Nanotech brings state-of-the-art electron beam lithography, high-volume roll-to-roll nano imprint lithography. Okay, so this is the roll-to-roll technology that we have talked about in previous videos for their nanoweb. So this is probably going to significantly help them build out their roll-to-roll lithography, which would be very good for the next generation of nanoweb production and nano coating production equipment, with current capacity exceeding 7 million square meters per year at significantly lower production costs compared to the semiconductor processes. Meta's mergers and acquisition strategy is focused on building, scale, and reducing production costs, enhancing our metamaterials manufacturing capabilities, and extending our market reach to new applications and industries, said Ram Kumar, chairman of Meta. We believe in the addition of Nanotech's ultra-precision high-volume production capabilities should place Meta in a strong leadership position in commercializing metamaterials at scale, Nanotech is a strategic acquisition for Meta. It will add tested and cost-competitive production technology along with new products and customers to our portfolio. Nanotech also adds complementary skill sets which can support Meta's markets, accelerating our commercialization plans in verticals such as solar energy, 5G, and other antennas, battery and fuel cells, and carbon capture, said Papa George Palikaris, Meta's president and CEO. Meta plans to support expansion of Nanotech's Thurso, Quebec facility, approximately doubling its production by capacity to 15 million square meters over the next 1 to 2 years, while Meta's new 68,000 square foot facility in Nova Scotia will support the large OEM licensing opportunities, manufacturing training, and product application development at pilot scale. So they got a huge facility here. The Nanotech acquisition is expected to position Meta as one of the leaders in high-volume, low-cost production of optical metamaterials in the world. All right, let's get to the Nanotech assets. Nanotech develops products and technology that deliver some of the most sophisticated, overt, covert, and forensic security features for brand protection and banknote markets. Its color optic technology platform is different than any other technology currently on the market, producing security features which are thinner, offering multiple colors, depth, and movement without using ink. For example, a 1 inch by 1 inch area typically features approximately 5 billion nanostructures. Nanotech's technology relies on what scientists call plasmonic or nanophotonic structural light trapping schemes, similar to those found naturally in butterfly wing nanostructures. This allows Nanotech to provide customers with customized security features that are nearly impossible to replicate. So that's pretty cool. One more thing on Nanotech securities by Beef Curtains Ape. So this is what I wanted to get to right here. It sounds like MMAT has acquired a leader in the nanotech industry that already has current contracts for production of banknote encryption materials and a number of patents. This gives MMAT an even greater hold over the nanotechnology and metamaterial industries. If you believe that those industries will lead us more and more into this next decade and beyond, it seems incredibly bullish to me. Thoughts? Yes. Beyond bullish. Just imagine a currency that is virtually foolproof with very low probability of being counterfeited. Now imagine being a shareholder of the company that holds all the patents to that technology. Fuck yes. If only there was a way to keep them from counterfeiting shares to short. Love it. All right, guys, so big news today. That is just about going to do it for this one, guys. Keep holding, keep the faith. As always, guys, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on metamaterials as well as the other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.